If you are converting thermal paper in South Africa, you may notice something strange during the winter months. Your rolls suddenly become uneven. Sometimes the edges start drifting, or the layers don't stack perfectly. Most operators think the problem is tension settings, but in many cases, the real cause is static electricity. In cities like Johannesburg or Pretoria, winter humidity can drop below 30%. When thermal paper runs at high speed through rollers and slitting blades, friction builds up static charge on the paper surface. And that static electricity creates three common problems. First, the paper layers repel each other. This causes loose winding or uneven roll surfaces. Second, the paper edges may drift slightly during high-speed slitting, which affects roll alignment. Third, the paper can attract dust particles, which may affect the surface quality of thermal paper. In many South African factories, there are three practical solutions. The first is installing an ionizing bar, or static eliminator, usually placed before the slitting knives or near the rewinding section. The second is controlling workshop humidity. If the humidity is below 30%, using an industrial humidifier to maintain 40 to 55% humidity can significantly reduce static. The third is checking proper machine grounding. Sometimes static problems are simply caused by poor grounding, which prevents the charge from dissipating. So if your thermal paper rolls become uneven during winter, don't adjust tension immediately. Check the humidity and static conditions first. You might solve the problem much faster.